Sound Innovations number 142. Okay, we're going to clap and count this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's name the notes. C natural A, C natural A, G, F natural G, F natural D, D, G, F natural A, G, A, D, D. Okay, now in the third measure, we have G, F natural, G, and then we have another F. Why is that one F natural and not F sharp? Since it's not marked natural, but there's a sharp in the key signature. Do you remember why? Because it's in the same measure. So because it's in the same measure as another F natural, that one also is F natural, till we get to the bar line of the next measure. Okay, let's play this. We're going to do this slowly. Here we go. Find a C natural. 1, 2, 3, 4.